Hello everybody, this is Howler of Howler's Domain, and we are back to Legend of Zelda, Breath of the Wild. And we are going to be going to the stable over here, and then into the shrine. Huh, waterfall. It looks like rain's coming up on the little weather monitor thing. As always, Nintendo, I own nothing, please don't copyright. And what in the world is that? Chicken! Chickens! Come here, chicken! There's a doggy and some goats. So many animals. Come here, chicken. Ooh, egg. Huh. Give me more eggs, chicken. Give me some eggs. Oh, crap. No! It's just like an Ocarina of Time. Holy crap! Chicken bombardment! Help! Ah! Crap! Oh. Ow. The sense of fear and nostalgia at the same time. This is what you get for doing that, you stupid chicken. Oh, he dropped another egg now. Okay. So, I just had to get almost murdered by damn chickens for me to get another egg. Woohoo. Not badly mistaken, I can feed the doggy right here. Yay! The doggy likes me. Oh, hot-footed frog. Ugh. Pitchfork. Okay, we got too many weapons. Here's some wood. And some apples. And it's raining! Yay! Well, not yet, because I can't cook anything now. Get the hell out of my way, chicken!
Hey!
You can give me directions, huh? Alright. Oh, was it now? I don't need to know about no damn horses. I seen in the dang trailer one of the damn videos that they done before its release that they were taming horses. I know exactly how to get on one of them. I just don't know what the hell to do after that though. So we're gonna wing it. And there's a horse. Huh. It's not any good colors. I don't like brown. Or light brown. What colors have we got here? Oh, that one's pretty. That one's a weird one. Blonde on brown. You are a weird, majestic animal. That's one that has spots on its butt. I could name it Freckle Butt. If anybody actually wants me to do that and find one like that, then I'll do that. But for right now, I want to find one that I like. Freckle Butt would be kind of funny though. Treasure. I don't need that. That's a weak shield. Only good that is a freaking design on it. A whole bunch of these dang guardians out here. Was this a battlefield? Holy cow. Looks like it. Mushrooms! Nope, peppers. And spring. I need more food. Oh, back up. I will murder you. Whoop. Ah, dang, it didn't catch it. Where's my boomerang? Boomerang. There it is. Yeah. So if items that are thrown do double the damage, then that automatically makes this boomerang a 16 power. Not bad. I'm guessing a boomerang is... Ooh, a sneaky river snail. A sneaky snail. It's a sneaky snail. Get back here, frog! Tireless frog. A rare frog. Sweet. Ooh! Ooh, there's 2 more freckle butts. Hello, freckle butt. It's just a solid black one right there. Usually that's what everybody goes after. Oh, but I like the one that looks like it's blue and white. Oh, that's definitely... Look at them. That's the leader of the group. I'm taking the leader. You shall be mine. Damn it. He's cut off from the herd. Hold up, I think I have... Yes, I do. Eat that. Get some sneak. Come here, buddy. Alright, so you get back here and you press the A button. Yep. Alright, here we go. Oh, soothe, soothe, soothe! Oh god, oh god! Ow. Get back here! Damn it! Out of my way! Ow, fuck! I didn't even touch you! Screw you! Alright, stop moving, you stupid thing. Uh-oh. Damn it! He looked at me. Come back here. Damn you. Quit looking this way, you idiot. Ugh, God, this is a little bit difficult. I don't know what I'm gonna name this one. Sneaky, sneaky, sneaky. Gotcha! Soothe! Soothe! Calm the fuck down! Holy cow. Okay. What do I do? Just keep hitting soothe on him? I don't know. Yeah. Calm down. Calm down. You're okay. Yeah. No, we're going this way. This looks like one of those horse stable things anyway. So let's talk to this guy, see if we have any luck. No, stop.
Hi.
Yeah, of course, it's a stable. We also double as an inn. Okay. I don't. What's the stable system? You can board your horse companions with us and then summon them as you please from our network of stables. Sweet! You may have come across wild horses during your travels. If you catch one and ride it here to register it, it will become your horse companion. Ooh! And why have you got a cow lick there, buddy? Did a cow literally just come up and lick the side of your freaking neck? Ugh. Look at that, he's got a cow lick. Okay, you're able to swap horses in and out as you please. Do you know how to catch a wild horse? I just did, so yes.
Hey.
I'll register a horse. Oh, it costs money? Strength, speed, and stamina. Temperament, wild. Why is this thing not got good strength? Damn it. Oh well. If it's got good stamina and speed, that means I can soar with this guy. This will be my traveling buddy. Okay, 20 rupees, that's not bad. Name your horse. Dang it! I don't know. I don't know. I'm bad at naming shit. I don't know, damn it. I don't know, lightning.
Oh.
Sure, I'll rename it if I need to. At least I think I can rename him. Yes, take it with.
Oh.
Not it, him, sorry. Oh. You mean like Epona? Yeah, buddy, yeah. Hold up, actually, you had a bond meter, so that means if I do this, hold up, doop doop, ba-doop, food for you. Yay! Bond meter went up. Eat your other apple there, buddy. What are you doing? Eat it. Damn it. Okay, never mind. You stay there for a second. Oh, it's you! Well, what was it that you said in, Wind Waker? It was, oh yeah, it was, oh! And all that weird stuff. You were Skyward Sword as well. So much nostalgia! Okay.
Wow.
You had to say wow for that and almost drop your dang thing. Okay, what have you got? Ooh, arrows. I do need arrows. I'll take the 2 stacks of 5 that you got. Look what I've got. Okay, is this selling? Yep, it's selling. Okay. Those are worth 3. I haven't run any crafting or anything for these yet, so yeah, let's just sell some. Sell 41 of them. There's my rupees back. Holy cow. Sell 10 of these. What else can we sell? Nothing else really, for the moment. Oh, we can sell our clothes. Yeah, let's get rid of these old pieces of crap. There we go. 255 rupees. Hell yeah. We're getting some money now. Let's break open these boxes. Yep. Boom! Whoa, a lot of stuff. Yay! Food! Oh god, that's overkill. Nope. Yeah. There we go. Chicken! I'm gonna make you an HFC, high roll fried chicken. Look, there's so many freckle butts! Well, only one freckle butt, the rest of them are just spotted ones. I really gotta take one that has little freckles on the back of it. No, I don't want to talk to you. Come on, lightning, let's go. Well, actually I gotta do that shrine. Hold up. Yeah, you can wait a minute. I need to go gather more food and everything. I'm getting low on food. What are those? Can I shoot them down so I can get them? Oh, don't tell me they destroyed it. Oh no, it didn't. Sweet. So I don't have to climb all the way up there for that. Yay, fish! Oh god, I'm about to die. About to die, about to die, about to die. No, god. That was a close one. Okay, let's go ahead and get the rest of these down. Yep. 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 Sweet. Swift Violet. Alright. really need to get more dang hearts. Okay, so if I use this, I should be able to get past, right? Up. Climb, stupid. Yep. Yep, there we go. Alright. Let's go. I don't know how I'm gonna get out of here, though. I guess I gotta climb on top of the thing. And I missed a violet on the damn top. Damn it. Lightning strikes. Ooh. That's very realistic, and that would be painful. Dang. I guess after we clear the shrine, though, now I have to exit out of this because we're at 15 minutes already. Crap. I wanted to do more. At least for this episode, I did. And, there. Yep. Climb, stupid. Climb. There we go. Yep. Had a feeling, because I seen something up there. Yep. I said, yep. I said, yep. Stupid. Damn piece of crap game. Climb. Damn it. Alright. What do we got? More money! We're at 305. Sweet! We're rolling in the dough. Or in this case, gems. Okay, what kind of puzzle we got here? Huh. Okay. So I need to do... No, if I do that, it'll just stop right there. So I need to do this. Boom. Oh, okay. Hold up. Yep. There's that. Almost. Okay, so it needs a little bit of a little extra ramp bump right there. Right there. Come on, get up there. Get up there. Yeah! We did it. We did it. That was an easy one. Didn't take much brain power to figure that out. I always kept thinking all these shrines would be the most difficult freaking thing you would have to do. I gotta skip all this. Damn cutscenes. Alright, how many of these we got now? We got 3, so one more shrine and we'll be able to get us another freaking heart for once. I was about to say another heart, but we haven't even got one yet. Huh, dried grass. Or dry grass. The boring loading screen. Come on, let's go. You gotta figure out a way to get past the... Okay, well, never mind, the spikes are gone. Oh well. And that... Oh, there's 2. It's so tempting! You know what, forget it. Let's go. I want more ingredients, I want more items. So, I need these. Yep. Damn it. And up. Boom. Alright. Got them both. Sweet. What the? Whoa, whoa, what was that? Oh! My arrow that hit the top right there. Sweet, it came back down. So I got an arrow back. Yay. What the? Sneaky river snail. Sneaky snail. Well, dang, we actually cleared that shrine pretty quick. We're hitting 19 minutes, so I think I'll go ahead and end the episode here. We got attacked by a stupid chicken, because I was wanting eggs. We got us a horse! Look at my horse. I can't finish the song because of copyright. Shut up, Zelda, get on my horse. I don't know. That's funny. Look at him. Look at his smile. Oh, don't sneeze on the dang audience. Oh, I can jump off of it. Oh, I left him out in the rain. I didn't even notice. Oh, I'm so sorry. But okay, we're gonna end the episode there. I hope you all enjoyed the episode. And I will pretty much see you on the next one. Again, if you want me to go exploring random things to the side and actually look for stuff, I would actually appreciate it because I'm still needing more items, and that would probably get me a crap ton of them. But as always, everybody, have a howling good time.